firemen that came to rescue me in the water, Hurricane Sandy. I spent 13 hours in the water, and then firemen rowed a boat up to me and took me to the hospital. We're the Rosses, Robert and Deborah, formerly from Midland Beach, Staten Island, soon to be from New Milford, Connecticut, in one of these beautiful homes that are provided by the Silla Foundation.
When the call of a brother in need is heard, when there's a prayer to be answered, and all you feel is hurt, I will lend you a shoulder, I will lend a helping hand. No, I won't turn my back on you. When your world has been shattered.
For me, these folks have been my inspiration. There are people standing behind me that had to fight for their lives just to survive to be here today. This is Senior Pastor Frank Santora from Faith Church. We were talking about what are people going to need sometime soon, looking down the line, and we both agreed it was housing.
We want to make this a respite for them for the next year so that we empower them to go back and then get assimilated into the community that they've been displaced from.
We had our prayers answered by the Silla Foundation. They're giving us a house for a year so we can get back on our feet after Hurricane Sandy destroyed our house and our lives.
I think this is what community is all about. Hey folks, how are you?
It's home, guys. Welcome home. We're going to try to have them all set for you to go. We are trying to furnish these for you guys to have what they call turnkey ready. So you have everything you need. Knives, forks, spoons, plates, towels, sheets, comforters.
My heart is so big right now.
You like it? I told you it would. I told you it would.
Well, it'll be a good break. Good break. So, welcome. This is welcome. Well, wait till you get familiar with the town. I think you'll like it. I'm sure. Good. But thank you so much. So we'll see you again right before Christmas. I'm moving.
The price of admission to get into these houses is, we want some cannolis.
I'm totally floored by everything you guys do, and I think it's a pledge to the human spirit. Maybe I'll even get some new residents to move here forever.
For us to be able to come here, we are very grateful.